Hello folks, I'm Killshot Creator. I've decided that I will educate using the Killshot Creator way. Screw the new school education. My school has been learning about the Gilded Age in 8th grade, U.S. History 2. My teacher, Mr. Bratton, has given me extra credit for my rap that I created. It's about the Gilded Age, and I like to just spread the glory. Okay, so it goes like this. Give me a beat. Filling up his buckets like the Loch Ness, using the Bessemer process. Carnegie makes steel, so easy it's unreal. Rockefeller's rich off of oil, digging it up from the soil, exposing it like tea nasty exposed tweed. Who was down on one knee, apologizing for his bribery and political machines, cause that was done illegally. Like philanthropy, when you donate your money to charity, and monopoly, when you control a whole industry. Alright, I'm outie, cause I gotta pee. And remember, we all family.
Family.
Yeah! Killshot Creator!